DIY decorators, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some beautiful striped dishes using Decor glass paints. Now the cool thing about these dishes is that you can get them at the dollar store and they are dishwasher and food safe. Decor glass paints are amazing. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's paint some glass dishes.
For the best results when you're painting on glass, it's important to wipe your pieces with rubbing alcohol first. Decor glass paint is the best paint for glass and glazed ceramic surfaces. The self-leveling formula results in a smooth, opaque satin finish that can even be baked to be dishwasher safe. I like to lighten my colors with a bit of white, but make sure you mix enough since it can be difficult to get the exact color if you run out before your project is complete. Reverse painting on glass has been around since the Middle Ages. The most famous works of reverse paintings are the art of icons in the Byzantine Empire. Later, painting on glass spread to Italy, where in Venice it influenced Renaissance art. If you don't mind, I would love it if you would thumbs up this video, and if you have a second, leave a comment and say hello. I do love it when you say hello. A table in Western countries is set in one of two styles: service à la Russe, where each course of the meal is brought out in a specific order, like in a restaurant, and service à la Française, where all of the courses are presented at the same time, which is the norm in family settings.
I'm going to leave a link to Decor and the glass paints in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye!